Yes, 9:15 is now the time. Tax season is almost upon us. And this morning, we're continuing our look ahead to the tax filing deadline, April 15th. Mark that on your calendar. The Fox 5 I-Team's Dana Fowle joins us this morning with more tips for making tax time less taxing, less stressful.
It's Monday and we're going to talk about taxes, but because I want to make things easier for you. This is not adding stress. So we're going to look at some things going into 2020, and here are 3 things that'll be different this year. The good news is that you can put more money in your 401k, and the standard deduction has been adjusted for inflation. But let's start here with retirement distribution, again for 2020. Now this is a two-parter, folks. In 2019, the required minimum distribution age was 70 and a half. In 2020, that is 72 years of age. More years for your money to grow. But this is the downer. If you are going to inherit a retirement plan, you must withdraw that money now in 10 years. There are rare exceptions, but that's basically the new rule. According to assistant accounting professor Usha Ratcliffe, she's over at Emory's Goizueta Business School. In the past, you could spread it out over the rest of your life and draw over time. She explains how it works now, and she's using a $500,000 retirement inheritance as her example. So listen in, and she'll show us how this will impact folks who plan to leave this type of an inheritance.
And you can draw it down over time, which is a very good thing because the money is going to grow and you're going to draw it down periodically, maybe over 50 years, maybe $10,000 a year. But now, if you're going to do it over 10 years, it's going to be $50,000 a year. Imagine that. So then you could also be in a higher tax bracket. Yeah. They will still have to go back and rethink how it's structured, right? And to find out if that's even appropriate vehicle to give it to your grandchildren, to give it to, other generations.
Okay, let's get back to the good stuff. You can now contribute $500 more to your 401k. And 2 great things about this. Every little bit counts when it grows over time. And because you put it in there pre-tax, your taxable income actually goes down. And the standard deduction is up $200 for individuals, $400 for married folks filing jointly. That's a snapshot of 3 things to know about 2020.
Wow, because there were a lot of changes that took place too. So
yeah, I mean, even the year before, there's been some shifts.
Okay, all right. Well, at least we're going to have it all on. You're going to put it online for us?
It's already there.
I love you, Dana. Thank you so much.
Planning ahead on this Monday.
Love it. Love it. We love that. Thank you for helping out.